So the next step in your argumentative essay is to generate your thesis. So today I'm going to show you a really simple way to generate a pretty basic thesis. So in case you're unaware, a thesis statement is something that is a part of your essay, and basically it states what you believe about your topic. It's also the focus of your essay. Essentially, it's what you will be writing about. So think of your thesis as a 1 to 2 sentence summary of your entire essay. So step 1, this is going to be a 3-step process, by the way, but step 1 is to generate a topic. This is something that you already did last week, and hopefully you've gotten a chance to start your research, and some of you I know have changed your topic based on your research, and that's a good thing. So what was your topic? Either on a note card that your teacher has given you or a blank piece of paper, I want you to, step 1, just write a 1 and write down what is your topic. So for an example, I'm going to use the topic of vegetarianism. Teachers, you may want to pause for just a second and let students write down their topic. Step 2 is still pretty simple. You're going to refine your topic. So ask yourself some of these questions. What's the whole purpose of my essay? Ask yourself, am I for or am I against this issue? So look at the sample I have down below for vegetarianism. I am going to argue that vegetarianism is better for human health and the environment than being a meat eater. So now write 2 on your paper and refine your topic. Ask yourself some of those questions and try to refine your topic with a little bit more detail. Again, teachers, you may want to pause the video here. Step 3. Here is where you really start to flesh out some of the details of your thesis and what you're really going to focus on in your paper. Keep some of these points in mind. You want to sum up what you have discovered, keep to your side of the argument, ask yourself, how am I going to make my argument? And generally a thesis is anywhere from 1 to 3 sentences if it's going to be an effective thesis. So now take the time to change your topic into a thesis statement. So look at the example down below. Vegetarianism is the healthiest way to live and save the environment. So not the world's greatest thesis, but it has done all of the bullet points up above. It's 1 sentence. It shows how I'm going to make my argument. I'm going to talk about the healthy ways of living and saving the environment. I basically summed up all the research I've done on being a vegetarian, and I've kept to my side of the argument. It's very clear what side of the argument I am on in this essay. Again, teachers, this is a good place to pause. Your final step is a challenge. Rewrite that original, very basic thesis you had and create another version of your thesis, but try to add more details. Try to extend it past 1 sentence or 1 very basic generic statement. You can be a little more creative here, but really try to write it out with a little bit more detail. So again, take a look at this example. Vegetarianism is the single healthiest way to live. Being vegetarian has the most positive impacts on overall human health because of its ability to heal the body naturally, and it lessens the environmental pollutants on Earth. So I've taken the exact same thesis I had just a moment ago, but I've added some more details and I've extended it. It's still only a couple sentences, but it also lets you know what sort of direction I'm going in greater detail. Students, you may want to rewrite your original thesis with some more details. This is also a good time to share your thesis with a peer and have them help you with it. You may also want to share with your teacher and hand in that note card or piece of paper before you leave today so they can ensure you're on the right track. Remember, your thesis is the focal point and the driving force behind your entire essay. So you really want to get this right before you start writing the body of your essay. Good luck.